Yesterday we focused on rectangles and squares, and we know that rectangles and squares are both flat or plane shapes, and they both have four sides. The difference would be that squares have four sides that are all the same, and rectangles have four sides where two match and the other two match. So they have two short sides and two long sides, for a total of four sides altogether. Well, today we're talking about circles and triangles. If you remember, a circle is a flat shape that has no sides at all. It's just one continuous line that goes round and round and round. And a triangle is a shape with three angles and three sides. So, to begin with, they just want us to look at the number of shapes in each box and circle the correct number. So for this one, they're wanting us to find the circles. So I'm going to count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 circles. Okay? For the next one, number 2, they want me to count the triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the number 5. I need to circle 5. Just like yesterday's assignment, they have me looking at the flags of several nations and then counting the shapes in each flag. So for this first flag, how many circles do I see? Well, I see one circle right in the middle. That is my number of circles. And how many triangles do I see in this flag? I don't see any triangles at all. There are lots of rectangles, but no triangles. So that is 0. If I go down to the flag of Jamaica, I don't have any circles this time. So for circles, I need to write the 0. And now I need to count the triangles. Well, there is a black triangle here, a green triangle here, another black, and another green. So that gives me a total of 4 triangles. Going down to this flag here, how many circles do I see? I see just 1. How many triangles are there? There's 0. This flag on the bottom and this flag at the top are almost identical, just the colors are slightly different. All right, so easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's flip over to the back and knock this out real quick. We have the Philippines, their flag here. So how many circles are in this? I guess if you wanted to get really, really clever, you could say this in here, the center of the sun is a circle. So we'll give it 1. How many triangles are there? Well, this is kind of tricky because if you look at this, you might be confused and think, oh, that's a triangle. But this shape here actually has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. A triangle only has 3 corners. So this is not a triangle. Same with the red part of the flag. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. But if I look at the white portion of the flag, I have 1, 2, 3 corners. There is my triangle. So I have 1 circle and 1 triangle. Now, so what they want you to do for this last part is draw your own flag. So you're going to make a flag. You can fill in this whole thing as your flag, and you can make it any way you want. However you want to do it. I mean, it's entirely up to you. And you can make shapes, but after you've done it, then you would count how many shapes you use. So for example, I have 1, 2, 3 rectangles. I have 1 circle. I have no triangles. And I have just 1 square up here in the corner. Okay? So you design your own, and you can color it, and then count how many of each shape used, and that's all there is for today. Be sure to check out the fun video on circles and triangles.